Hello everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Gabon? The average annual gross salary is $3,600, or roughly $300 per month. After tax, the average net salary is $3,312 per year, or about $276 monthly. In Libreville, the average annual gross salary is higher at $4,448, or roughly $354 per month. The net salary there is $3,908 yearly, or about $326 each month. This difference can come from higher city demand and living costs. Experience, hotel work, office cleaning, and night shifts may also affect pay. Entry-level cleaners usually earn less, while senior cleaners may earn roughly double in some jobs. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.